Going down? Huh? Going down?
Because he's got a counterbalance now. He's got 3 seconds as he has begun to work on the straitjacket. It is now 9 seconds. 9. He has got 12 seconds. 12 seconds going as Bill hovering over the leg, working on the straitjacket. He has a leg. He has an arm of air loose, I believe. I can't see. Yes, he does. 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. It is free. It is free. 22.5 seconds. Bill Shirk has freed himself from the straitjacket. It is new world record. 22.5 seconds, breaking the old record of 24 seconds. He has done it from a height of 1,500 feet in the air. Once again, he's circling. He has the jacket. He's holding it out. Bill holding the straitjacket out, so you can see it. He is still suspended by the blade of that one hockey skate. Bringing with him the new holder of the world record for the fastest and the highest escape from a straitjacket, WXLW's Bill Shirk. Similar to deep sea, it's almost by Providence has died down somewhat, just been still went up. So he has to cope with that as well. Savannah says possibility, that the cables could still break, the ice skate plate could still break. That's the fact that we haven't played up too much, but there is the fact that that ice skate though is not absolutely guaranteed because it's not built to hold people from
I had my eyes shut.
You feel like you're going to come out of the shoe?
It just felt like the shoe was going to slip off. It just, but I knew it wouldn't. I mean, it was laced in. There was no way, and it just, felt like being 1,500 feet in the air, I guess. Wow.